Okay, so what we are going to practice today is just recording a video, not the create a creature video, because again, that's on Friday, okay? We are just going to practice just recording a video, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, okay? So I'm going to share my screen with you. Hopefully you'll see it in just a second. And then I'll share that link in just a minute too. I wanna show you first before I set you free. All right, can everybody see my screen? Yeah? Okay, so I'm going to sign in as Leanne again. We're just gonna use her account today. Leanne, I hope that's okay. I'm gonna check to make sure I spelled that right. I did. I'm gonna press go. All right, so we are going to work on a recording today. This is just to practice using FlipGrid. And it says reading rundown. You have 1 minute and 30 seconds, that's how long the video is gonna last, to tell Miss Smith about a book you are currently reading or all about your favorite book. So I'm gonna click the red record a response button, and I'm gonna show you what it takes me to. This is how I'm going to record myself talking, okay? I know I'm on Leanne's account, but I'm gonna just use hers to practice. So I can record. I would love it if you showed me your book on camera. So I'm gonna press this red record button and it gives me a countdown. Hi, Mrs. Smith. I am reading Sideways Stories from Wayside School. It is a really funny book and I love all of the characters in it. It's about a school that was built 30 stories high and it was built sideways instead of up and down like a normal building. The teacher in the book is named Mrs. Jules, and she's really crazy, and all of the kids think that she's a little cuckoo, but it makes the book really funny. And there's a lunch lady named Mrs. Mush. She makes really yucky lunches that none of the kids want to eat. And there's a lot of funny kids in the book, like Kathy, who doesn't really like anybody. She's kind of mean. Louis, the yard teacher, who makes sure everybody has balls to play with on the playground at recess. And another one of my favorite characters is Todd. And my favorite chapter is when he when he sits behind a girl that has pigtails, and the pigtails end up talking to him. And asking him to pull the pigtails, and then he gets in trouble for doing it. Okay, see how up top it's turning red? That means I'm running out of time. Remember, you have 1 minute and 30 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and finish that video button, and it gives me a countdown. And look, it lets me watch. Hi, Mrs. Smith. I am reading. It lets me watch my video. Okay, I can go in and make sure I like it. If I don't and I want to re-record, I can delete it and then it'll let me go back and re-record the video. Okay, but I'm gonna say, you know what, that's pretty good. I like it. I'm gonna press the green next button. And then it will ask you to take a picture of yourself. That way I can see whose video is who. So I'm gonna take a picture. Ooh, that's a horrible picture, but that's okay. All right, I'm gonna press next, and then it will let me turn it in. It's gonna upload it, and it will have your name already typed for you. You don't even have to type anything, and then you just press the blue submit button. Success! I'm done with my video. And then I can just press complete, and my video is turned in. It takes me back to the front page. Okay? All right, so I am going to put that link in the chat so that you guys can go off and practice making your first FlipGrid video.